Hello, today I want to show you something to discuss together about the way we can organize the document and make search among them. As you see, I'm starting with the post published da Ente Nazionale per l'Intelligenza Artificiale. Some idea coming from Oliver Patel, I believe is the right accent, for the organization of all the documents we see floating around. We have law, regulation, framework, principles, and also technical standards. How we can organize, collect, and do some search? Today I spent some time with the notebook knowledge management, a platform not really new. It's more than 1 year coming around. Here you can see a poster for all the detail of the platform work. It's shared in my post later. I try to see if it can be a good platform for the organization of the document. This is my landscape, my notebook. I created some block note, the one you see here. EI, governance, law, something else, because one is Europe and the other is worldwide, principles and framework, and standard, technical standard. I didn't feel all day one related to the EI governance, but I worked mostly for the technical and the principle. There are some cons, we'll check later. Now get the benefit of this platform. For example, here you can see only notes, because the platform work with the notes and the source, but you can do a search combining both, or one or the other. It's big limitation in my opinion, but it is what it is. The search is powered by Gemini 1.5, because if you see here, the title is The Poor Man's Gemini 1.5. There are some problems, some hallucination. I already checked that, but it is what it is. So, how it works? For example, if we select the note, or we can simply do that. Let me show you what is a note before. This is a standard I created to collect a note about the technical standards, with some information here, because usually these documents are not public. You need to purchase them, but at least to know what they are related to, it's good. So you select everything, you go here and you can make a question, or if you wish, now there is my big face here, I can drop somewhere else. I believe it's better. Let's do arrange schema, and it is what you get. Or for example, make a resume. Now he's using the generative AI, and it is the result. It works. Then if you are okay with that, you can do this, or you can stick and keep here. Okay, next, framework and principle is the section where I worked mostly in the morning, and you see there are a lot of stuff here. On the left is the sources. What you see on the right are the notes. And then if I remove my big face, I cannot do that. Okay, good. Let's be focused on the other. You see here PDF, because I loaded directly the single PDF from each one of the sites from here. By clicking on the document, you get directly the RAG. You can also select some main topics. It's a classic RAG. but for some, you see, it doesn't work. For example, look at this. This is a PDF like this one, but for that we can access. For this one we cannot. Why? Unfortunately, the engine can do the OCR of the document. It works only with the readable PDF and also doesn't work with the image. For that, it's another problem in my opinion, but it's worked very well. For example, we can select all the sources and ask here something. Tell me all the list of the document. We should know exactly the list of this one. It's not fast, huh? Okay, it works. Okay, quickly tell me short. To know something about the document, a quick description. Okay, it is summarized. For each one, you see, you can retrieve more. Now, it's not perfect like a commercial version of the Gemini, but it's okay. And we can apply the same search. Framework principle is the one we need. If we select the notes, here we have some quick question. It's multi-language, and it is what it is. Now, there are some limitations on that. It's beautiful, but there is no way to have, for example, a public share. It's an invite for the moment, user by user. You can load a lot of documents. There is a limit, I believe, of 20 sources for each note. You can make a search among notes plus sources together, or the one or the other. And last but not least, let me browse if I forget something here, because they are hallucinations. And if you use a document linked on Google Docs and you work live on Google Docs, the documents are not updated. They keep the first instance of the document. Can be good, cannot be good. It's a start. Let's try together something more, better, or if it's okay to work together to make it better. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.